Hey there, YouTubers. It's Bella here. Tomorrow's Halloween, and I cannot wait at all. Like, it's gonna be a lot of fun, and yeah, it's just gonna be awesome, and I cannot wait. Oh geez, oh, I don't want to sneeze on camera. um. You didn't hear nothing or see anything. Jesus Christ, dang it. Sorry guys, that was not cute. No, don't even say it. I can't wait. I'm gonna be like a cat girl for Halloween. It's gonna be awesome and hopefully hot. um, I'm gonna be with Jazzy and my little brother Joey. I'll introduce Joey. Joey's playing as Trancy. And Trancy and Jazzy. Jazzy's Aster, Trancy and Aster. All's in love. And pretty soon later on in the series, you guys are probably gonna have to vote on who falls in love with Yuki. Oh geez. I wanna see how that turns out. If you're gonna vote for freaking, I don't know, but do not vote for me to fall in love with my own brother. Jesus Christ. That would not be cool, you guys. That would not be cool. Anyways, oh my gosh, we're almost done picking who is the best commenter. Almost done picking on who's the best commenter. It's gonna be freaking amazing. And me and Tyler are figuring out, you know, me and Tyler are figuring out what the prize is gonna be. And so, yeah. I'm just so excited. I cannot, like, wait at all. I just can't wait for Halloween. I love Halloween. And I get to take a video, and we're going to be taking pillowcases because we're going to get a lot of candy. A lot of candy. Yeah. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out our Facebook group, which I'm going to be putting in the description. Our Facebook group that where you can just talk to me, my friends, which are the cast, and just have a lot of fun. Thank you guys. Bye bye. And let me put my